The boat broker. Yeah, this is it. And this has got so this has got a brass liftgate. This is an early car, so liftgates, you know, that's my deal, right? I spotted it. This has got a brass liftgate. Not many people can spot that. I'm probably one of the few people who can spot it in a picture. I've just gotten to be so good at it. So, a couple things on this car. They didn't have open wheel wells. He put that there. And I want to say they had a plate that goes right here. A stainless or chrome plate that covers it up. So it's like a bumper extension. Pontiacs had the dip right here. Nomads were cut straight. It's an interesting, and this thing's customized. It's far from stock. On the inside, let's see, lots going on inside the car. It's got a 4-speed, I think. Oh, he's got a 454 under the hood. Chevy. I always liked the front here on these cars. Got a very cool look. And then on top here, they got these cool, these are so iconic. These hood strips right here, so cool. It's just Pontiac. And it's got the hood ornament there, it lights up. It's got the Indian. That's really cool. That will actually light up. How cool is that, man? 57 has like 57 has something on the fenders, and 55 and 56 have the hood ornament that lights up. Let's see what the price is on this. $67,500. If anyone's interested, there it is. The boat broker. $67,500, and it's an early body. It's got the brass liftgate, man. I wonder if they even know. Probably not. Let's see the body number just to kind of confirm what I'm talking about. $208. I was right. Can't see that. Yep, 208 body number. So Mad Mooks was right. Early body car. First 500 had brass liftgates. Chevy and Pontiac, brass liftgates, and they used brass because they couldn't get these things to fit, so they beat the hell out of them, and they went back and forth with the tooling. So they would take a sample, they would beat it up and get it to fit and get it better than what they had, and then they send it back, and they make another one. They retool and make another one. They just kept doing that until they got it to where they wanted it. And then they made the switch to pot metal, which is much cheaper, obviously. The reason why they didn't use pot metal, you can't beat on it like you can brass. So, very interesting backstory on the brass liftgates. It's something, if you have an early body car, that everyone always brings up the brass liftgate first. That's kind of the conversation piece. And also, these were chromed on some of the early ones. These are supposed to be stainless, but they're chrome brass. I don't know about this piece, but I know these pieces, the curved, are chrome brass on the early ones. Lots of interesting little tidbits. And brass just didn't fit that well. Now, guys with Nomads, they look at this thing and they think, man, it fits pretty good. Someone like me, it can be a lot better. I mean, you can just see how, look at that right there, man. That is crazy to me, how it lifts up like that. It's supposed to be in line with the tailgate, top of the tailgate. The rest of it is fine, but it goes up right there. That's just crazy, man. They were just very crude. for the most part, it's a stock dash, and they got the steering wheel and then, you know, some things below it, but I mean, he's got all kinds of cars here. You got a Studebaker, and then you got a Cadillac over there. What's up, man?